In this video, let's look at a few simple pickups that we can add to our level. Now for pickups, we want to be in our Objects tab once again. We want to go to Entity, and we want to come down to Items. And you can see that we have some of the standard pickups that come with this. Let's put in a custom ammo pickup. Switch over to our terrain. Then let's drop this in here. Alright, we have our custom ammo pick on here. Let's look at a few of the properties that we have to play with. Ammo name is bullet. Makes sense. We want to be able to pick this up. So here's where we make some decisions. We have auto pickup. Do we want it to be picked up if we just run over it? Typically yes. We have a count. We have 30 bullets in this pack. That's fine. We could bump that to 60 or 40 or whatever you want. Do we want it to be pickable? Yes, we do. Do we want physics to interact with it? As a pickup, not really. We don't want any grenades to go off and send this flying off into the thing. But you could set it up and send it shooting off into the water. And last but not least, under this properties panel, do we want it to be usable? Yes, we do. So we will set it up as usable. Then we'll look at respawn. Now, do we want it to respawn after we've picked it up? Sure. How long do we want that to take? It's set at 30 seconds. We could make it 60. And is this unique? Well, no, we may want more of these around our level. So right now we won't make it unique. Now let's look at one other one. Let's go back to Entity. And let's add a health pack in over here. We might need that. We've still got our terrain on. So we're going to bring this in, set it down, and we're going to add this in and look at its property. As you can see, these are pretty much the same in terms of what we're asking it to do, but they're specifically applicable to what our item is. It shows a model, how many health, what's the respawn time. This comes back fairly quick, a little too quick I think. And the use distance. In this case, it's not giving us a choice of whether or not we want this to be something that we just pick up as we run over. So we're going to have to actually run up and use our F key to pick this up. And we'll have to be within 2.5 units to do that. That's fine. We're ready to run with that. And although this was a short video, these are nice little things to actually make your level playable. You can also go in and look at some of the other ones they have. Now in this current build, a lot of this stuff you already have. We already have binoculars. We already have a rocket launcher. We start with a SCAR. But we could add in a SCAR normal ammo so that ammo only works for the SCAR. We could add a silencer in. There's lots of things that you could do. So play around with it a little bit as you set up your level. And after that, I will see you in the next video where we will discuss decals.